there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to solve this polynomial by factoring. So when you look at any polynomial, I would encourage you to always start with the greatest common factor. So what do these terms have in common? I see an x. They both have an x. I'm also noticing that 18 and 50 are both divisible by 2. So I'm going to put that 2x in front. That's what I'm looking to factor out. And then I'm going to put a parentheses, and I'm going to fill that parentheses with whatever I get when I divide each of these by 2x. So 18 divided by 2 would give me 9. X cubed divided by x gives me x squared. Then I've got minus. Now 50x divided by 2x will just give me 25. Now, we've got one more step to go because what's in this parentheses is actually a difference of 2 squares. Do you see it? Do you see the 2 squared terms? 9x squared is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. So I know that can also split up into 2 parentheses. So think of the square root of 9x squared. That would be 3x. So I put it at the beginning of each of the parentheses. And the square root of 25 is 5. I put that at the end of each of the parentheses. And now I'll have a plus in one parentheses, a minus in the other. Now, to finish up and solve, we have it factored, but now we need to solve. We take each of these and set it equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 0, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, and 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So now we solve. Well, the first one's pretty easy. You can divide by 2 so that x is 0. The second one, you can subtract 5 and then divide by 3. I probably would go ahead and just leave this as a fraction, x equals negative 5/3. And then you can do a similar method with the last one here so that you'll get x is equal to positive 5/3. So you have 3 solutions here, and there's 0, negative 5/3, and 5/3.